STEM and design applications. What is design thinking? A term first mentioned by cognitive scientist and Nobel Prize laureate Herbert A. Simon in his 1969 book, The Sciences of the Artificial. Design thinking represents a nonlinear, iterative process to understand a specific user and/or problem, challenge assumptions, and create innovative solutions to prototype and test. This way of problem solving is most useful for tackling ill-defined or unknown problems. Although approaches to a design thinking process may vary, the general framework of the process consists of 5 phases: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Phases. What is design thinking? Phase 1. Empathize. What design thinking empathizes is truly focusing on the specific user or problem for whom or which the solution has to be found. The most effective way of gaining insight into the problem at hand is user research. Through empathizing with users and understanding their true needs or demands, one can objectively define the problem for which the solution should be found. For a human-centered method such as design thinking, this phase is crucial. Phase 2. Define. With all gathered information in the previous phase, it is now time to thoroughly observe and analyze that information in order to define exact problems and challenges a team is facing. After doing that, a team has concise descriptions of design problems, problem statements also known as points of view, which serve as reference points throughout the project. Phase 3. Ideate. Having well-defined set of problems allows a team to move forward and think outside of the box, challenging existing assumptions, discussing alternative ways to approach the problem at hand, and exchanging ideas through methods such as brainstorming or mind mapping will generate concrete ideas for the solution of problems. Phase 4. Prototype. This phase is where the ideas created in the previous phase come to life and are being experimented with to determine the optimal solution for each problem. Experimentation should be done with inexpensive, scaled-down models of the solution which still provide representative results. Sketching, paper prototyping, or role-playing are just some of the methods that can be used in this phase. Phase 5. Test. Developed prototypes should always be rigorously tested in order to examine their performance in various situations and dealing with different problems. Ideally, the prototype goes through the testing process flawlessly, but it is very common that some irregularities will come up. That should not be worrying because design thinking is an iterative process where testing results are used to improve or redefine existing solutions. Going back to previous phases is desirable and useful so that the end result comes out as best as possible.